right, today I have a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I'm going to show you how to open the side sliding doors from the front of the vehicle. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look up top. Look at this right here. There are a bunch of buttons and controls, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this. All right, I'm going to open up the left side and the right side. I'm going to press this and press this one for the right side, and the side view doors open up just like that. All right, that one's closing for some reason. I'm not sure why that one is. All right, but I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to close it. I'm just going to press this again, and it closes the door just like that. It's pretty cool. All right, now people in the back, they can also open up the doors, but you can turn off the automatic feature for the passengers in the rear by simply doing that, and the auto feature will not be on. To turn it back on, you just press it like that, and they're able to open the doors with the auto feature from the rear. Let me know if you have any questions.